So guys, we finished our first part of the website. So in the first part, we work on the front end and back end of the ringtone, and in the back end, uploads the ringtone, it'll upload the category, and in the front end, user can download the ringtone. He can get the information of the ringtone, and he can also like solve the ringtone or filter the ringtone based on the categories, and also able to comment, rate, and share on the social media. Okay, so this was the front end stuff. Now we'll do the same thing in the back end, where admin will upload the images. He'll upload one image. So you can see here we have the photos here, and admin will give the title, description, and upload one photo, and from one photo we'll give like 3 or 4 download link, and user will be able to download the image in different size, okay, in the different resolution. So for that we'll use laravel intervention package to get the images into different size. So now let's start making working on the photos. So here I'll first make a controller for the backend, and here I'll clear this first, and I'll write php artisan make controller, and in the backend, so it's in the backend, I'll make here photo controller. So photo control controller and dash r. So it will make the photo controller in the backend here. So I should get the photo controller here now, and here you are, photo controller. So let's go here and let's copy this resource, and here I'll write photo resources, and here with the ringtones, and here with now photos, and this is photo controller, photo controller. And in the photo controller, first we'll make the form. So let's go here, and in the create method here we'll return the form. So return view, and if you go here, then we have the backend, and in the backend we have photo, will have the photo backend, and then we'll make the photo folder, and then in the photo we'll make the create.blade.php file. So here I'll make the photo, photo, and then here now I'll make blade.php file. Sorry, the spelling mistake here, so I have to correct it again. So rename this into PHP, and I'll copy from here this stops, and then I'll paste here. Okay, so something wrong I think here, so I'll copy again, and then I'll remove this one, and then photo create, and then I'll paste here. Okay, now so if we go to the photo/create, so first of all we have to log in here to go there. So let me start my server, and I have the email and password here. So my email and password is admin@gmail.com, and password 123. Okay, so let's go here and let's try this now, and password password 123. And now I am in the ringtone section, and here you can see I have manage ringtone, and now here I'll make the manage gallery or wallpaper. Later on we'll do that. So first let's make this form. So photos/create. So this is the form I should get here. Now let's go here and let's work on this form, and here create or upload photos, upload photo, photo, and multi-part/form data, and here will be the photos.store, and you need to provide the multi-part/form data in type equals to multi-part/form data for image, and we'll have the title for the photo, we'll have the description for the photo, and here's the title, and here is the description for the photo, and here is the file for the photo. So exactly the same, and we are not making category for this folder. Okay, so I'll remove this category. So here to here I'll remove this one. Okay, I'll remove this one, and then let's go here and let's see this one. So refresh, then you can see upload photo, title, description, and an image. And same image, user can able to download the same image into different sizes, okay, in a different height, in a different width. So now let's go and make the validation for this. So in the store, so store will store the file. So I'll write $this validate, and then here is the request, req request, and here are the arrays of things that we want to validate. So we have first title of the image, and here we write a require, and we give the minimum 3, and let's give the maximum of 120. And description, DSC, RIP, and description, and this require, and let's give minimum 3 and maximum of 200. Now final thing we need is a file. So file require, so it's the suitable require, and type of file I want is JPEG, JPG, and PNG. Okay, so now let's go here and make sure that we have the name here. So we have the name file here, and we have the name here title, and we have the name here description. Okay, now when I try to submit this file without filling anything, I should get the error message. So submit this, and you can see here I have title field required, description field required, image field required. Great. So in the next video we'll be working on this form. So I'll see you in the next video.